Hey everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to learn the forehand volleys. But before we start, let me just clear a misconception. Well, volleys are not balls taken near the net. They are the balls taken in the air, which means before they bounce. Because you are taking them in the air, you need to go quite close to the net, and that's why many think that it's the net balls. So let's just start with how do you hit a forehand volley. The number one point is which grip to use. Simple answer. Use the most used grip, the continental grip. So your palm heel on bevel 1 and your bottom knuckle of index finger on bevel 2. And if you want to know more about the grip, I have posted the link of another video of mine which is about the grip differentiation. Do watch that after this one so that you are quite clear. Next, how do you stand? And how do you stand, because in game you won't have a specific place to stand. So when you stand in an athletic pose, which is basically standing shoulder width apart, and have your racket straight in front of you. Do not tilt it, okay? Straight in front of you. Okay, so I'll be comparing the forehand volley with the forehand ground stroke so that it's easier for you guys to differentiate. So in volleys you have your racket straight, whereas if you see in your forehand ground stroke, it will be a bit more tilted towards the ground, like this. Next, so you're straight, and next is that your hand should be straight in front of you, not tucked in, okay? Straight. Next is your racket, how do you take it back, okay? So here, again in volleys you don't have any hold back swing or any follow throughs, whereas in forehand ground stroke you have full back swing and then contact and then follow through. So here, right now it's at 90 degree, right? And then you just move this side a bit, okay? So straight, around 45 degree, open up it a bit, okay? So straight, open up it a bit at 90 degree, like this. So my wrist opened a bit here. Straight, opened a bit. That's it, because volleys are basically you just need to touch the ball and hit shorter balls with volleys, okay? Volleys are for hitting balls mostly in the service court, not in the no man's land, okay? And even if it goes there, it's absolutely okay. Next, how do you move? If you want to move, like if the ball is not within your reach, how do you move? Simply, again, because you're doing a forehand, you need to move with your left leg. So you move your left leg and hit. Now you have some kind of a freedom in volleys. You don't have any restrictions to move your leg. Whereas in forehand ground strokes, you might have seen in my previous videos, I've told you that it needs to be somewhat diagonal here and not too towards your right and not too towards your left. Whereas in volleys, it can be anywhere, straight, okay, two towards your right, anywhere, because you don't have any more follow through, so you won't be having the risk of blocking your right leg or opening up with the wrong side of the court. So you're ready, you move, and your hand is open a bit, okay? Do not open it too much, or else the ball is either gonna hit the edge of the racket or just fly off. And don't make it too straight like this, okay? Or else the ball will just bounce it off and sometimes even hit the net, okay? So what you want is a bit tilt here, open up your wrist, it will be all okay. In the same position, just open up your wrist. I'll just show you one ball. Open up a wrist, okay? And then how do you hit and where do you contact? So for that, you're ready here, you move your left leg forward and then you just contact here, just in front, okay? You don't need to go too far, just here. And as soon as you hit, stop your racket there and then. So as soon as I hit, I stopped my racket here. That's all you need to do. Volleys are as simple as that. So all of them once together, straight, bend a bit, bend your knees so that you're ready for either of the volleys. And then you move your racket, open up it a bit, move your left leg, hit and stop. And again come back to your ready position. That's all the volleys are about. Now I hope that you are quite clear with your forehand volley and no more scared of it, because many beginners are scared of volleys because it's directly coming to you. It has a lot more power than the ball that is already struck the ground and then coming to you. So no more worries, you don't need to be scared anymore. Just follow these methods and I'm sure that you will have a great forehand volley. Until we meet again, stay safe.